Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we're unpacking something absolutely huge. We are looking at a game-changing program designed specifically for professionals who are ready to drastically scale their impact. It's called AI Mastery: Advanced Applications, Automation, and AI Agents. Look, if you're feeling this massive gap right now between the basic AI tasks you do every day and those fully automated enterprise-level systems that the top tech leaders are using, you are definitely in the right place. This explainer is your roadmap. It's how you leap from just boosting your own individual productivity to achieving true enterprise-scale AI mastery.
Okay, let's dive into this. I want you to be brutally honest with yourself for a second. Is your AI capability basically limited to just asking chatbots better questions? Because for a huge number of professionals out there, their entire AI strategy is quite literally just typing a slightly better prompt and kind of hoping for the best. And that right there, that's the chatbot ceiling. It's incredibly frustrating because you know this supercomputer is capable of so much more, right? Yet you're stuck using it as a glorified search engine.
And this dynamic? It's creating a massive divide in the modern workplace. On one side, you've got the competent user. They rely on isolated prompts just to get a quick summary or draft an email. But on the other side is where we want to be, the aspirational target, the AI champion. AI champions aren't just chatting, they're actively designing end-to-end workflows and implementing complex multi-step automation. Real leaders right now are mastering the systems that actually orchestrate AI behind the scenes.
All right, part one, beyond basic chatbot prompts. So the crucial leap we're talking about is mastering the end-to-end AI workflow. We are talking about high-level architecture here. It's all about taking these powerful models and combining them directly with your proprietary organizational knowledge. It's about automating multi-step work and, critically, establishing the safe controls you actually need for a full enterprise rollout. This isn't just a fun party trick anymore. This is about engineering reliable, highly valued business systems that work every single time.
Which brings us to part two. Enter the AI Mastery Program. This program is a 2-day transformational journey, and honestly, transformational is the absolute key word here. You're going to move from just figuring out how to do your own job a little faster to becoming an absolute expert in workflow design. Forget about sitting through passive, boring lectures. This program is entirely built on advanced demonstrations, intense hands-on laboratory work, real-world scenario simulations, and group problem solving. You are literally going to get your hands dirty building real systems.
So, you might be wondering, who is this actually for? Well, it's tailored for advanced users, managers, and analysts, digital transformation teams, and AI consultants. If you are in any way responsible for developing or implementing AI processes at your company, this is your new toolkit. And I need to stress, there's a real urgency here. The window to be an early adopter is rapidly closing. The era of the AI champion hasn't just arrived, it's already reshaping companies.
Let's break down the curriculum. Day 1, Advanced AI Design.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Day 1 gives you an escalating arsenal of skills, neatly broken down into 5 core modules. First, you'll master model selection, so you can perfectly balance speed and cost. Then, you'll dive deep into prompt architecture and multimodal AI. From there, you'll conquer knowledge-grounded systems, and finally, you'll learn to map out incredibly complex business processes in the workflow architecture module. It is a dense, high-impact day of learning for sure.
Let's actually zoom in on Module 2 for a second, Advanced Prompt Architecture. Think about this step-by-step progression. You aren't just casually typing questions anymore. You're learning. Step 1, Systematic Prompt Structures. Step 2, Multi-step reasoning and decomposition, literally getting the AI to logically think its way through complex problems. Step 3, using few-shot examples and strict output schemas to force the AI to give you exactly what you need, exactly how you want it. And Step 4, rigorously testing those prompts and turning them into reusable components. That is the exact formula for guaranteeing reliable outputs every single time.
And then we hit Module 4, which covers a genuinely vital concept, knowledge-grounded AI. Let's totally demystify this buzzword. If you've ever had an AI hallucinate on you or give you super generic, unhelpful advice, this is the absolute cure. Knowledge-grounded AI is the secret sauce to making AI hyper-relevant to your specific business. You use your own organizational documents as context, you pull in your specific data, you ground the AI right in it, and you dramatically reduce any unsupported answers. You are building highly controlled knowledge workflows that actually understand your company's reality.
Moving on to Day 2, Agents and Governance.
Day 2 is where things shift into high gear. You're going to tackle AI automation using powerful trigger action workflows.
You'll build autonomous AI agents designed specifically for functions like HR, finance, and marketing. You'll master the intricacies of evaluation and governance. And all of this leads directly into the ultimate test of the program, the Expert Capstone Project.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it illustrates a total paradigm shift. Unlike a traditional chatbot that just passively answers your prompts, an AI agent has specific goals. It has memory, it has access to external tools, and all of that allows it to take completely autonomous actions. Whether we're talking about a single agent or a whole multi-agent team, this elevates AI from being a simple answering machine into an active, capable digital worker that can execute complex workflows entirely on its own.
But, with absolute power comes absolute responsibility, right? True AI champions absolutely have to master governance. In this module, you'll learn how to rigorously test for accuracy. You'll navigate the tricky waters of privacy and data governance, and you'll assess bias and security risks. You simply cannot scale AI blindly. It's too dangerous. This specific module makes you the indispensable leader who knows exactly how to safely manage risk while preserving human accountability.
Finally, Section 5. Why you should attend.
Everything in this program culminates in the expert-level capstone. You don't just leave with a bunch of abstract theories swimming in your head. You leave with an implementation-ready solution. Step 1, you select a real pressing problem from your own organization. Step 2, you design the end-to-end AI-enabled workflow to solve it. Step 3, you define all the necessary controls, evaluation criteria, and human oversight. And Step 4, you present the solution and your implementation approach. That means you walk back into the office on Monday morning with a fully structured use case ready to be operationalized.
So what's the bottom line? Here is the undeniable return on investment. You attend this program to move completely beyond chatbots. You attend to build high-value, automated applications that save thousands of hours. You attend to manage enterprise reliability and risk like an absolute expert. And you attend to walk away ready to support an immediate, high-impact organizational implementation. This is, without a doubt, a career-defining opportunity.
I actually want to read this quote directly from the program outline because it just perfectly encapsulates the ultimate promise here. Develop the capability required to move from individual AI productivity to expert-level workflow design and organizational implementation. That is the core transformation. You aren't just using tools anymore. You are becoming the architect of value-creating AI solutions. Which really just leaves us with one final provocative question. Are you ready to build the future of your organization? The tools to move from being just a competent user to becoming a definitive AI champion are laid out right in front of you. The only question now is whether you'll take that leap and master the workflows of tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I really hope this sparked your drive to master AI.